In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add images on your video and then make them move. So I have here a video and I'd like to go ahead and add an image. So before you add the image, I'd like first to go ahead and add another track. So I'll use this track operation and add video track. Then go ahead and drag the image. So let me move this up. Great. And now let me make it much longer like this. Great. Now if I go ahead and play the video, like that. Great. Now before we make this image to move, first we need to go ahead and add a transition. So I'll add a fade in by just dragging in like this so that it fades in. And now if I play, it fades in like that. Great. I'll select the image and then go to filters here, and under filters I'll select this add filter and then look for size, position and rotate, and this is the filter that I want us to add. So I want us to go ahead and add a keyframe where I want this to start. So the starting point will be here from the fade in point, and then I'll go ahead and tap on this clock to use keyframe. So I'll tap on that, and if you feel this is getting much smaller, go ahead and expand it by just tapping on this icon here, and now it has expanded on our timeline. So that is the starting point, and then we shall go ahead and reduce this to a place where I want it to end. For instance, I want it to move from the center. I want it to end at this place, and then that's our keyframe. It should end at that point. So if I go ahead and play it, look at that, it now moves from the center to that location. If you want it to move faster, you can just come and shorten this to that, and then let's go ahead and see how faster it will move. And look at that, it now moves faster. You can as well add another keyframe by just selecting the point where you want to add another keyframe and then go ahead and move it. So for instance, we want it to again move to this location. Now we have added 2 points. So if we go ahead and play it, look at that. So go ahead and play, move at the corner and then on top. So that's how you can make your images move on your videos in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.